Have you ever felt helpless when facing the destructive power of nature? Join Protect Nature on a journey to discover the deep mysteries of our planet. We will witness storms raging like giant monsters, with winds like sharp blades and volcanoes erupting violently like a brilliant and terrifying mass of fire. Each natural phenomenon is not only a majestic sight, but also a profound lesson about life and death. Prepare for this dramatic adventure, where you will feel the grandeur of nature and discover how we can protect our common home. Are you ready to face this unimaginable power? Large chunks of land collapsed from above, collapsing into low-lying areas. The rain fell continuously, causing the road surface to be covered with a layer of white water. The cracks run like a spider web, intertwining and spreading in all directions. The wind howled like a fierce scream, carrying the power of a wild storm. The corrugated iron sheets on the roof shook intermittently and were blown away. Objects, papers, and leaves were blown away, suspended in the air. Amidst the torrential rain and lightning streaking across the sky, dazzling and sharp. Dazzling lightning appeared in the night sky, lighting up the dark space in just a moment. The sea surface was rough and turbulent, like an ocean stirred up by rage. Houses float like abandoned boats in the middle of the sea. Thick smoke rose from the fire, forming rolling black clouds that covered the sky. Under the deep blue water, brilliant red-orange rays of light from the lava peeped out. The crater emitted a sound like a groan from the ground, signaling the rise of a giant power. Gray-black rocks and lava fragments stretch across the mountainside, interspersed among burned trees, leaving only ash. Loud noises rang out as the walls and roof collapsed, creating a cloud of dust. The sound of the tsunami was a symphony of devastation, with fierce roars. The sound of the wind was a constant growl and hiss, like an invisible monster roaring. Under the power of the wind, the tree branches constantly bend and tilt. The water rose strongly, carrying away everything on the ground. Thick clouds of smoke rose from the fire, forming black smoke columns that stretched and spread. Like a great flood, it swept away everything in its path with irresistible force. The flood raged through, sweeping away everything in its path. The ground shook continuously, causing buildings to shake violently. fiery light from the lava reflects into the night sky, dyeing the entire space red. Thick clouds of black smoke rose high, curling in the sky, mixed with sparks and ash. The fire stretched out like a vast sea of fire, spreading and burning in a vast space. The ruined landscape appears like a desolate picture of devastation and destruction. Under the weight of the continuously falling raindrops, the tree branches shook vigorously. Broken tree branches were piled up on the road, causing serious obstruction to traffic. The storm that appeared blew away everything in its path with immense destructive power. The sound of the giant tornado was a growl and hiss, echoing throughout the space. The smoke gives off a burning smell, making the air difficult to breathe and heavy. The water surface above begins to ripple, creating rhythmic but powerful movements. Lava rays shoot into the air like brilliant but dangerous fireworks. The road surface burned by the lava flow looked like a scorched black carpet. The fierce wave was like a giant beast rushing towards the shore with devastating power. With enormous power and incredible height, it struck fiercely and powerfully. The white rain covered the vision like a thick curtain of obscurity, covering everything. Everything seems strange and confused, with images distorted and out of sight. The murky water flows quickly, washing away everything it comes across. The bright red-orange light from the lava flow below reflected onto the smoke. Thick clouds of black smoke rose high, curling in the sky mixed with sparks and ash. The space became silent and gloomy, as if time had stopped. Everything was bare, as if a violent wave had swept it all away. The flood came like a huge, uncontrollable wave, flooding everything in its path. The surrounding landscape was completely destroyed by the force of nature. Fires reach high into the sky like giant torches, spreading strong light with high temperatures. Thank you for joining Protect Nature in exploring the power of natural disasters and their impact on the environment. Through this journey, we have witnessed the destructive power of storms, tsunamis, and landslides, and the cruelty that nature can bring. These scenes not only highlight human helplessness in the face of nature, but also provide valuable lessons about community resilience and resilience. Your interest and enthusiasm are a valuable source of motivation, helping us raise awareness and protect the environment. Together, we will continue our journey to protect the planet, building a more sustainable and secure future for us all.